Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye and welcome to my channel. Today, you all, we are doing a quick, and it should be very quick, Dooney and Bourke unboxing. Y'all, I got this particular bag from Amazon. If y'all have been checking out my community post, or if you're a member of my channel, then you know that I let everybody know that I could think of about the deals from Dooney and Bourke that are on Amazon. It was a really good deal early this morning that was on there, so I hope you all caught it, even if you were not a fan of the style of the bag. Maybe you grabbed it as a gift for someone because it was a very, very good price, y'all. All right, so this particular bag, y'all, I've been waiting on it. Oh, I got some stickers. Let's see. The pumpkin, so 2 of a kind. I will add these to the collection. 2 cute stickers. But this particular bag, y'all, I figured if you have seen my other video of the natural satchel that I tried to reason with keeping, I could not. It was a part of the it was Florentine, but it had scratches and everything in it, y'all, and y'all comments pretty much agreed with me. So I still wanted a satchel that was close to natural, or as close to natural as possible. I still kind of want the actual traditional Florentine, but not too badly, since I do have the natural Florentine male satchel. But I saw this particular one on Amazon, y'all, and I decided to go ahead and get it. It is in the natural category, so as you see, it says caramel satchel, and it has a ship or date of July 11th of 2023. So fingers crossed that this is a keeper, because I do not feel like returning it. And y'all, I did compare the prices, so I compared, and the bag is a little loud. I compared this price to the Dooney website, and I don't believe I saw this on I Love Dooney. I can't recall. But after my comparisons, this one had the best price and availability, because like I said, I don't think it was on both Dooney.com and I Love Dooney. So this is the natural, I'm sorry, not natural. It's for Natural November, but this is a caramel satchel in the ostrich print, or ostrich embossment. And again, I did order it from Amazon, so I am going to look it over, y'all, and like I said, fingers crossed that this is a keeper. So far, so good. I do like that the feet align with the leather from the front and the back of the purse, so that's already a plus. The tassels are not wrapped, but they look pretty good. So no issue there. And that's just the hang tag if you didn't want to see this. That matches the label that I showed first. Okay, so the hardware is still wrapped. So far, so good, y'all. I don't see anything that's standing out to me in the leather. Let me go ahead and these tassels look pretty good too. I hope you all had a very happy Thanksgiving and getting ready to, or having a good weekend already. And if you're watching and you are not subscribed to my channel, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are made aware each time I upload a video. And an absolute thank you to all of my returning subscribers and viewers. I really do appreciate it. Okay, so it does have whip stitching on the handle, so I do see that. And I think I'm going to leave the handles wrapped, y'all, till I actually carry the bag. So handles look good. Other than the tassels not being wrapped, I think everything else is fully wrapped. See, even this hardware here around the D-rings that's holding the tassel on, even that's wrapped. And this one does have the metal Dooney and Bourke logo plate. Alright, y'all, so let's take a look inside. It passed the exterior test, so I am happy. The strap is still attached to the key leash. I have a feeling, y'all, this is going to satisfy my want that I had for the traditional Florentine satchel. And plus, with this being an ostrich embossed leather print, I do not have to be as careful with it as I would the Florentine. So that's another good benefit of getting the ostrich instead of the Florentine. So I do see the authentication label in there, if you all can see that. And you can see how much room is inside of here. This is a good size bag. It's deep. And it looks like the normal Dooney and Bourke setup with the zipper pocket in the back. It does have a metal zipper. Leather logo patch. Registration card and stickers. Slip pocket in the front. And then on the front side of the purse, it looks like it has one continuous slip pocket here. So y'all, I'm going to say that this checks out. It looks good to me. I am going to go ahead and disconnect the shoulder strap from the key leash. And I may go ahead and fully unwrap it, y'all, because this bag looks really good. So I would have to say that I am happy with it. Not sure if I did show the dust bag that came with it. But I did go back on Amazon to look for this and to see if they had any more. They don't have any more in this color. The other color they had was a darker color. I can't think of the name of it. It wasn't cognac. It was... I may have to go back and double check. Because I don't think elephant comes in the ostrich print. It looked like an elephant color. But I don't think it was elephant, so. But y'all, comment below and let me know if you all have been able to grab any of these deals. Of course, Dooney.com and I Love Dooney has been having the Black Friday sales. But y'all, I've been finding some goodies on Amazon.com, so I will be sharing those in the near future with you all. And I would think when I saw them, I would think that they had multiple. Some of them they did have multiple. Some of them after I ordered them, it would say unavailable. So it's like I got the only one that they had listed. But again, y'all, the deal that they had this morning, and it was on the navy Brenna in the Greta print. And that color, as well as that silhouette, it's very classic. I don't have any navy Greta at all. But for that price, y'all, I decided to go ahead and add that color to my collection. And I figured that it would not hurt at that price. And again, y'all, if you can refer to my community post to see what I saw this morning. I did see a couple of comments that confirmed that they were able to get to grab something from the sale. So I'm glad that somebody was able to get something. Like I said, everybody's not a fan of the Greta or the Brenna or the navy Greta. But even if not, I just kind of thought about it as maybe you wanted to get it as a gift for someone, if not yourself. So I was glad to see that someone was able to grab it before that sale price disappeared, because it completely disappeared and they added a 0 to it. Yeah. So, and just to give you an idea, y'all, it was under $40, believe it or not. And I thought I was seeing things, but I'm glad that I did not keep scrolling, and I was able to grab one. All right, y'all, so this is the strap. I'm actually liking this strap with this bag. So even if I add a longer strap to it, I will probably still keep this one on there. But let me make sure that this is fully in the shot while I'm speaking with you all. There we go. So with this satchel, of course, you can carry it with it standing straight up like that. It will allow you to put taller items in the purse. So it gives you more height that way. So you can still carry it by the top handle with it standing straight up, or you can just fold it over, and over time, with this being ostrich embossed leather, it's not as soft as the Florentine, so this would take a little bit more time and breaking into it to get this leather to have the smile, as it's called, right here. So that would take time. But all in all, you all, like I said, I am happy with this one. I'm glad I finally got a satchel in the traditional silhouette. And I'm loving this ostrich embossed leather. I really am. So with this being caramel, to me, this blends pretty well to where it looks like it's all the same color. The only difference is this may be a little bit darker, the leather trim, and it of course doesn't have the ostrich embossment there. So that's making me wonder. I wonder if they used to make an ostrich bag to where everything was embossed. I'm wondering if that's possible and if that's something that they had. So I didn't look into that and see. But let me know if you all like this one. Let me know if you saw this one on Amazon. If you were able to grab anything, like I said, from Amazon with this Black Friday sale going on. I am enjoying seeing all of the deals and sales and new prints and silhouettes. And it's not just from Dooney and Bourke. It's from multiple brands. So I'm enjoying seeing all of it. But you all, again, I hope you all are having a wonderful holiday weekend. Thank you all so much for watching, liking, subscribing, sharing, and commenting. I really do appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. As always, you all have a very, very wonderful day.